Hello guys. So I'm going to show you something. This is going to be a super short, quick video. I sent 2 papers home that goes with lesson 9.2. There's a page that looks like this. It says fraction cards at the top. And then there's also a color page. Mine's front back. You should have 2 pages. So these are just for helping you practice learning what the fractions are and identifying what the fractions are. So like this guy down here, he's one whole. He's not cut up into fractions. But if you look at this one is cut into fractions. This one would be cut into halves. It's cut into 2 parts. Okay? So then that is going to help you practice what they're cut into and recognizing fractions. And then the back side actually has them colored in for you, so you can practice identifying what the actual fraction is on these. So these are just for some more additional practice with recognizing and naming fractions. So you could easily put this into your sticky math sleeve, and you could color in one. So you could color in 1 on this side on the halves, and then you could write 1/2 on there. So you could use those sleeves for that, and that would be a good idea. Okay, so this was just for extra practice with your identifying fractions and knowing what the numerator and the denominator is and all of that.